Hello from Sergio. In this video I'm going to show you how it is possible for Bitnest to pay up to 24% in just 28 days. Okay, I'm going to put the glasses on. Before I start, I'm going to put the disclaimer. Okay, so before we begin, a quick note: everything I share in this video is for informational purpose only and does not constitute a financial advice. It is based on my personal experience. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it is important to stay informed. Always do your research before making any decision. So this is not a presentation of Bitnest. If you don't know Bitnest, you can join my YouTube channel. This is the latest presentation of the ecosystem. And then if you go in my channel, I got video in Italian and English. You just click on playlist. You have more than, if you go to the English playlist here, you click on it, you have 15 or 20 videos, okay, of here, everything, certification, insurance, how it works, where the profit comes from, and more and more and more. So let's go and have a look how Bitnest can pay those amount of interest. So Bitnest pays 0.1% profit in 1 day, 4% profit on whatever liquidity you put in the contract. You don't give the money to anyone. In 7 days, 9.5% in 14 days, and a whopping 24% in 28 days. Bitnest has been running over 2 years and 4 months, you know, like a Swiss watch, okay, paying everyone. So let's have a look how they can ensure those percentage of profit, you know. So let's go and have a look here on the site of Bitnest. Of course, underneath every video you have my link, my contact, the presentation, and you know, you have all the playlists, okay. So if we go here, all the smart contracts in the world, they burn for leasing, okay, because the big companies and, you know, the big fish, they prefer to stay anonymous, and they prefer they don't give anything, no, you know, documents or whatever. And when they have to move, you know, to some moving, they like to stay, you know, hidden. So if you go here and click on lease, okay, so first we go on loop. I'm gonna show you the loop as the exact timing and the lease. So 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days. We have seen the percentage, okay? So if we go on lease, here they go the big company and the big fish, those one who has those wallet, and those big fish in this wallet, you can put, you know, $1 billion, no problem, okay? So those people, they go here on lease. I'm gonna show you the rules of Bitnest, okay, and how much they charge to lease, okay. So lease rules, I'm gonna click on here. So I'm gonna do very short for you. I'm gonna explain very easy for you, okay. So the rental period, it works like this. So for the people who have to have some USDT is the equivalent of dollars. So those big fish, those big companies like big JP Morgan or whatever, they have to make some transaction from 1 to 20 days, and they earn maybe 200, 300, 300%. You know, at those levels, they do, you know, enormous transaction. But they don't want, you know, exchange the Bitcoin or Ethereum. So they come here to Bitnest. So let's say, for example, if they want just to have the USDT for 1 day to do some transaction, they have to give Bitnest, they give to the contract, is all automatically 1.05 the amount of the request of USDT. So if they request $1 billion, they must you know, put 1.5 in Bitcoin or Ethereum in the contract. You know, you don't give the money to anyone here, it's all automatically. but they have to pay 0.7% just for 1 day. So if we go here and have a look here, you see Bitnest get 0.7%, but it pays 0.4%. So there is a margin. So when this huge company, a huge big fish, they go here, they give, they want to have for 7 days $1 billion, okay? They must put $1.1 billion equal in Bitcoin or Ethereum. But Bitnest charge them for the 7 days 1% daily. You see here? Daily. So, but when we put the money in the loop, we get 4%. So, as you can see here, always much more than how much the system gives us. So let's go and have a look. 14 days, those big fish, they must give 1.3 billion if they want 1 billion USDT. They stake it in the program, and then they pay 1.2% a day. 1.2% a day. Let's go and have a look here. 1.2% times 14 days. That's 16%, okay? 0.8. But we get 9.5, okay? At last, how they can pay us, 24%. You see here, 24%, okay, here. So when they want $1 billion for 28 days, which those big companies, they do 100%, 200%, 300%, but they don't move the Bitcoin, they must give you here 1.5 in Bitcoin to the contract, plus they pay 1.5 a day. So if we go here, 1.5 times 28 days, that's 42%, and we get 24%. So where the profit come from? This has been going on since 2 years and 4 months. On top of that, when you go on my playlist, you can see many videos. Each one is a topic, okay? There is a topic that show you that when we inject the money, we don't give it to anyone. They go in this pool and they make money every minute. You're gonna see the video, and it's more transparent than that. Of course, it's certified, verified. Nobody has found anything wrong with it. Okay. So if you want to dig anymore, you see the latest presentation with the entire ecosystem. You can contact me. You can join me on the presentation. Underneath here, you will see also the video how to start, and you can contact me personally on Telegram, on Facebook, for whatever assistance you need. Okay. Bye for Sergio, and until the next time, have a lovely day.